Alright, so I haven't showed you guys back in my yard in a very long time. Here is the one tomato plant that's growing back here. I have one tomato growing. I did have another one. I picked it. I think I ate it already. I can't remember. But yeah. Or you know what? I think it popped. So I have a question. Once they like start to split because they're getting so much water because of the rain, are they still good, or do I have to toss them? I've been tossing them. I'm like, I don't know if they're still good or not. Then I have these onions, which I probably should just pull up because apparently they're not growing any. And then my potatoes been died, but I cannot dump them out while they're wet. I thought I read somewhere where it said don't get them while they're wet or something like that. I don't know. I could be mistaken. But I've been wanting to do this, but it's been raining for the past 2 weeks. Like non-stop rain. We've been getting a lot of rain. Like, it's ridiculous. But I've been wanting to clean up back here. I have not cleaned up back here yet. We've been getting so much rain, it's ridiculous. But yeah, that's all I have back here. I've not been to my sister's house because, hey, it's been raining all this time, so I'm like, maybe I don't need to go. But I probably do need to go to her house and look and make sure there's nothing on the leaves again. Is that last time, I don't know how I missed those eggs. I think it was probably my angle that I was at when I was looking at the plant, and the angle that I was at versus the angle that the camera was at. The camera got it and my eyes didn't. But anyways, you guys, that's all I have for today. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and hopefully I can do more in my next video. Hopefully it's done raining. It did rain today. I don't know if you guys will. The grass and everything is wet. The concrete is wet back here too. But yeah. Anyways, you guys, if you enjoyed today's video, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will talk to you all in my next one. Bye.